Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the Nadula hair.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
My love, so I'm back with another one from the Nadula hair. I'm so excited to be getting into this unit. Now this is a blonde balayage face framing, okay, highlight wig, honey blonde, okay, and brown hair. So she has two combs in the front. We're doing a fake scalp unit. I'm super excited about that. I don't expect this to take long because these units are relatively easy and we want to show that, right? And one comb in the back, okay? Adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Take a look at that parting space. It's already giving skiz out, okay? Now, I'm super tan, and I got this unit before I was actually as tan as I am right now. So, I'm kind of curious about how this is going to work out up against my new skin, okay? And my new look. And we're just going to get right on into her and see what she's working with. Okay, so I can see already the little bit of lace that we have is a little bit light for me. Okay, I already can see that. I'm going to throw this unit on. Now, I believe we have this unit in 22 inches. She's currently going for, at 22 inches, just under $300. And at 24 inches, she's going for a little bit around $324. Okay, but don't worry. Nadula hair always is given some kind of, oh, this is blonde. Okay. I did not expect that. Wow. I am chocolate. You know what it is, guys? I am really getting used to my new skin. And I know that sounds weird, but I have never been this brown. And I'm feeling it, but it's something to get used to. Okay, so you can already see this lace hair. Okay, I definitely have to go in and darken that up. This is a super big hair friendly unit, like abnormally so. So I'm going to Wakanda forever these straps in the back. One of the beautiful things I think about this unit, and I'll show you guys what I do with the straps so you can see why I call it Wakanda forever. One of the things about this unit though is that I don't think it's going to require any glue. So that's where I'm at, okay? It's that snug to me, so you guys get reference. Super big hair friendly for my big hair girls in the back. Oh yeah, this feels better already. Okay. Okay. This feels far better. I'm still a little impartial to this coloring, but I think I'm going to let them live. I think. So I'm just going to go on through, darken up the lace using my contour palette. I had to get a new one with a different contour color because I'm browner. So it's my new look. So I'm using dark to deep today because I'm a little bit tanner. And I keep bringing it up, guys, because I'm so surprised at how tan I actually got. It's like really surprising to me. And I'm just going on through and darkening up the lace. Yeah, that's good. I got on white. So I'm supposed to be going to like, oh yes, that's it. I'm supposed to be going to, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Good night. That's why it's so important, no matter what wig you're putting on, you definitely need to go in and darken up that lace. It is so worth it. And getting them corners, because that's a big piece. I'm just buffing it out, guys. Now, this is her fresh out. She's almost like done, which is great. I'm just gonna go through. What's on my nose? Okay, I'm gonna use my Andes flat iron. And I'm just flattening out the top. I didn't even comb these curls out yet, guys. Just really want to get more of an idea what this unit is looking like before I do that, because I don't want it to be One, I don't want to have to do much of any work. I kind of want the curls to give what they're supposed to give. You understand what I'm saying? Without me adding any more heat to this unit. Okay. Now again, she is not glued down. Mother is giving. All right, my loves, I did not mention this earlier, but this Nadula hair blonde balayage unit is currently going for just under $300 for a 22-inch with the faux scalp, okay? So don't you worry. We always have some kind of coupon code for Nadula hair, so make sure you check the description box for more. And again, this is 150% density and this just unit is under like $300. Just about done in 7 minutes. So under 10 minutes, you can get this wig, throw her up right up on your head, and get her right together. Under 10 minutes. And I'm like, it's not that I'm impartial to baby hairs. I just think that if you have a good unit, right? A good unit. You don't need baby hairs. Like for what? My hairs is grown. And I like them like that. Okay. Think I want to hit up this blonde piece. So what I'm going to do is go through here. I'm just adding a little bit, and I do this just to hide that lace, okay? We just want to go on through. Look at that. You see that little piece? We just want to go on through. I didn't even use a blow dryer, and I'm just going to do that. And this is the Instant Freeze Spray by Aussie, which I actually really, really like. I like to add mousse to the top. It's really not a necessary thing to do. It's a personal thing to do, especially when it comes to like curly units. Now, let me tell you what I'm not sure about. This unit would have been fire if this wasn't a thing. I think this is far too bright. I don't understand the logic behind this like super blonde 613 piece. I think it's just a little too many colors. It's giving a little bit of a bad dye job. A little bit. That's what it's giving, a little bit. Like, look how much better that is without that. Kind of annoyed because I don't have time to like, maybe it's just that it needs to be curled. I don't really have the time to like dye this right now because I'm committing to wearing this out tonight. But this is not a fascinating concept, but that indeed. So I'm just using my Babyliss wand curlers just to curl mother on up. Okay, and just give her a little bit more definition, and that's just simply because this blonde hair was kind of, I was taken aback by it. I'm just going to add a little bit of spray because I want this to stay. All right, and just like that, we did our wig in less than 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes, a little bit of heat, not much at all, and mother is done. Look at that, out the motherfucking scalp. Okay, let me tell you something. Me turn around. These little like 5x5, 4x4 fake scalp units save the day. I am literally on my way to a happy hour before a concert, and guess what? We got her done in 10 minutes. Are you happy with her like I'm happy with her? Bust down. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Let me know exactly how you felt about this review, and I will see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.